Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on restock requests on Etsy Plus in 2026. Are you selling out of products but don't want to lose potential buyers? Now, if you're subscribed to Etsy Plus, you can enable restock requests, and here's how to turn it step by step. Now, the first thing to know is what is restock request. Restock request allows buyers to sign up for notifications when an out of stock item becomes available again. Now, to be able to turn on the restock requests, you're gonna log into your Etsy account by going to Etsy.com. So you're gonna log into your account and then you're gonna click on the shop manager. Now, if you don't have a shop manager here, you're gonna click on your profile icon and you're gonna find the option to become a seller here. Click on it and then you're gonna set up your shop by entering these information such as shop preferences, your shop's name, your payment method, etc. Once you finish setting up all this, you can access the shop manager. Now, when you access the shop manager, you're going to click on the settings and then you're going to click and select options. Now, from the options, you're going to enable the restock request. Find the restock request option and turn this on. Then you're going to save changes. Now, when an item sells out, buyers will see an option to request restock notification. Make sure to use this for bestsellers, restock quickly when demand is high, and combine restock alerts with social media announcements. Now, restock requests help you capture missed sales and measure products demand more accurately. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.